rain is really coming down.
It's cozy in here, though. We're safe. Almost ready, everyone. It smells wonderful in here.
Wow, can we try some now?
Just a little longer, it's gonna be delicious.
Wow, look at all the steam! I can't wait to try the stew! Wow, curry! It smells delicious!
Can we start eating now?
Yes, let's eat, everyone!
And as the little bear stepped out into the rain, the moonflowers began to glow brighter than ever before. They knew the forest was watching them, but tonight, the trees seemed friendly, their branches